Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of Forest. The International Day of Forest is celebrated on March 21 every year. The day aims to highlight the importance and significance of forest and raise awareness about forest restoration. The day calls upon citizens, governments, NGOs, etc. to undertake activities involving forest and trees such as tree planting campaigns and protect forest from destruction. The theme of the International Day of Forest for 2023 is Forest and Health. The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 21 March as the International Day of Forest in 2012 to celebrate and raise awareness of the importance of all types of forest. According to a UN estimate, more than 1.6 billion people are directly dependent on forests for food, medicines, shelter, energy, income, etc. The world is losing 10 million hectares of forest each year due to deforestation about the size of Iceland, and insects damage around 35 million hectares of forest annually.